Are you worried about the yellowing of your teeth? No need to worry. In today's video, I will tell you how to teeth whitening at home in just 2 minutes is easy with these recipes without having to go to the dentist. Save this video now to watch it again before you lose it. For the first one, put a teaspoon of turmeric and a teaspoon of salt in a bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice and a teaspoon of coconut oil. Mix in a teaspoon of toothpaste and keep the mixture in a small jar. It can be stored outside the refrigerator for an extended period. To apply, brush your teeth well in circular motions for 2 minutes, focusing on yellowing and tartar. Amazing results with pearly white teeth from the first use are guaranteed. Now for the second recipe, peel a clove of garlic, grate it, and add a teaspoon of turmeric, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a teaspoon of toothpaste. Mix well and brush your teeth for 2 minutes. Instantly get white and shiny teeth. For optimal results, repeat this recipe daily. If you have gingivitis, apply the mixture to your gums and leave it on for 5 minutes. This recipe also treats toothaches. Apply it to the hurting tooth for immediate relief. Choose one of the 2 recipes and keep using it. Don't forget to share the country you're watching from in the comments. Thanks for watching.